In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a school club page on Google Sites fast and easy. This tutorial is designed specifically for beginners and will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can create a vibrant and informative club page quickly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and go to Google Sites. Simply type Google Sites into your search bar and click on the first link that appears in your search results. This will lead you to the main Google Sites homepage. This is where you'll start creating your school club's online presence. Now that you're on the Google Sites page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Once you're ready, look for a button or option that allows you to select a site or template. Click on it to get started. Google Sites provides various templates to choose from. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to select a site and click on it to begin customizing. With your template or blank site opened, you'll see multiple options for editing and organizing your page. To begin creating your school club's page, look for a section labeled Pages in the navigation menu. Once found, click on Pages. This is where you'll manage different sections of your site. Next, you'll notice a plus icon, typically at the bottom or side of the panel. Clicking on this icon will allow you to add a new page. For our example, let's name this page something relevant, such as Art Club or the name of your preferred club. Naming your pages clearly will help visitors navigate your site effortlessly. Once you've typed in your desired name, go ahead and click Done. You've now created the main page for your school club. At this point, let's enrich your page by adding content. Head over to the Insert tab in your Google Sites editor. Here, you can add a multitude of elements to enhance your site. Consider inserting a 3 or 4 column menu. These columns can beautifully display images and text side by side, making your page visually appealing. Speaking of images, click on each column to add images that represent your club or its activities. This could be photos from past events, club logos, or any relevant visual content. Remember, images can communicate a lot about your club's vibrancy and mission, so choose ones that truly reflect what your club is about. Equally important are the accompanying text and descriptions in each column. Click into each column to add relevant information and details about your club's activities, mission statement, or upcoming events. Clear and engaging text will help visitors understand your club's purpose and how they can get involved. Once you're satisfied with the visual and textual content, it's time to make your page more interactive by adding forms. For this, return to the Insert tab and click on Forms. Here, you can select a form to insert directly onto your page. This is particularly useful for sign-up forms or collecting feedback from visitors. Finally, once you're happy with everything, go ahead and click Publish. Publishing your page makes it accessible to everyone and ready for the world to see. Congratulations, you've just created a school club page on Google Sites efficiently and with ease. Remember, the key to a great site is regular updates, so keep your content fresh and engaging.